Hi guys, my name is Safira and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. To start on a fresh clean base, I washed and conditioned my hair before I started filming. Now for this routine, I started by splitting my hair into a smaller section to make it easier for me to work with. This way I can make sure that the hair product gets on all of my hair strands and not just the outside layers. Now I'm using a water spray to wet my hair a bit since it already started drying while I was setting up the film, and I like to apply my hair products on wet hair. To me, it just helps with spreading the hair product all over my hair easier, and it just glides through my hair the way I like it to. Now the first product I used was this Yari Ultra Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner, and Yari is a Dutch cosmetic store, and I believe you can find their products online as well. So if you are not in the Netherlands and you want to try out their products, I would suggest looking it up online and see if you can get your hands on it that way. So yeah, I applied it all over the section, sprayed some water again, and then I went in with the Umberto Giannini Scrunching Jelly. Now this is an old favorite that I recently rediscovered, and I used to have this one in my hair product rotation, but I don't know what happened and I just never bought it again. But last week my mom came home with this and I just had to use it again to see if I still like it the same. And I do. This jelly is so lightweight and it just glides through my hair so easily. I love the slip it adds and also the smell. You can probably tell by now the reason why I used to have this product in my rotation. It's definitely one of my favorite jellies to use. So if you don't know this product, try it out for yourself and see if you like it as well. After applying it all over my hair, I used this defining brush to go in section by section for some extra added defined curls. And I also made some random finger coils here and there for a few more extra defined curls as well. So I'm gonna repeat this same process all over my hair until I finish, and then when it's time to blow dry, I will be back.
Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
Top down, chrome spinning. You see the boss grinning. I'm loving these damn women. I let two get in. She tried to let the rest fit in. I'm like, no, love, that's forbidden. I ain't for swishing. That's a problem to the will. Well, trust, I know them 20s real well. Now we coasting. Me two chicks and toasting. I turn up the volume, watch the bass get them open. Soft spoken with a wild side. I love them in the ride. They love it in the ride. We was moving bodies before we hit the party. Before the DJ started cutting, I was already fucking. Cinderella, you girls from nothing to something. Hit the parking lot, hear the club system thumping. Lose the face. You twos was great, but it's to the VIP. I got new move to make.
When the last time you heard it like this? Smoke some, drink some, get ripped. It make the girls in the party just strip. Move your ass, girl. Only if you know you live. From the club to the park and ride. How many chicks can you fit in that ride? Put 'em up on it.
Hey, it's just a day in the life. Club nights, one of the reasons I love life. Chicks be in the back tipsy. We get in for free, hey, they with me. Two-stepping, you see each crew reppin'. Slipping on the floor, mirrors and walls are sweating. Shorty in my ear say she got a thong on, and I love how she move anytime a song on. I like that, ma, you do something to me. Come this way and prove something to me. Fast or slow, she got the right moves, and I got the right dough for any date that I choose. I'm open, but nah, I don't lose focus. If the shit jump off, you know the thing that I'm so in. But I'm only here to party, y'all. Carry every weekend like it's Mardi Gras.
When the last time you heard it like this? Smoke some, drink some, get ripped. It make the girls in the party just strip. Move your ass, girl. Only if you know you live. From the club to the park.
Now it's time to blow dry, and I'm starting with the diffuser on, focusing on my roots first. And I want to make sure my roots dry first, since the ends of my hair dry quicker. And if my roots aren't dry, but I want to create volume by using my hair pick, for example, it's just gonna get super frizzy and I won't get the look that I'm going for. So once my hair gets to like 75 to 80% dry, I use the diffuser to dry the ends of my hair as well. And then after that, I take it off and just go in all over my hair.
to the sofa and attack the chocha. S&M chick ass pusher the joker. But I thought about how rich I am and said no such chick was crazy. It was crazy space. What did it, the whip appeal or my baby face? The night's still young and I'm already leaning. Cruise through the lot on them juice tubes gleaming. The liquor in me and I don't need a reason. Obnoxious with the women, hot tucked in the linen. I pull up, let her get in.
Now I used a little bit of this oil mixture. I have to scrunch my hair a bit and it wasn't super crunchy, but still. And I also like to finish my hair routines with oil just to give me a bit more shine at the end, you know what I mean. So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to like this video, comment to let me know that you enjoyed it, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my upcoming videos as well. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.